everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes. And I have a very small clothing haul to show you, but I wanted to show you these pieces. I have a feeling most of them are going back, but I wanted to show them to you in case you were interested in ordering them. All right, the first item I have is this Nick and Zoe sweater. I got it from Nordstrom. I believe it was part of the anniversary sale, and when I saw it online, I really thought it was a really pretty pattern. Once I got it, I'm kind of turned off by it. I mean, we're talking this is paper thin. I mean, I can completely see through this. I'm not gonna wear a tank underneath this when I try this on for you because, and I might even keep my black bra on because I want you to see how thin this is so you can get an idea. Now, I don't mind wearing under sheer things, a tank, but this to me looks like thin as in cheap and it's gonna fall apart. This is 67% cotton, 40% nylon. It's by Nick and Zoe. And I think I got it on sale for $69 and some change. And honestly, if it didn't have the Nick and Zoe name brand, I would put this at about 20 bucks at like H&M or something like that. Not impressed by the quality of this sweater at all. It is extremely, extremely thin. Okay, the next item that I got that I saw an influencer, I believe her name is Amanda John, much younger than me, order through Amazon. Since I purchased from, or I didn't purchase, since I got in my Stitch Fix box that Bella Doll drop dress, I really liked it because it was kind of like a lightweight throw-on dress that I can use when it's warm outside and I just want to throw something on and go when I'm on vacation. But it's not something I would wear very often, and that dress was over $100. She showed this, it looked cute on her. I'll stand back so you can see it. It is 100% cotton. It came in as a wrinkled mess. I had to use my steamer on it. It did seem to get most of the wrinkles out. It has a halfway placket here in front of buttons, and it has a little flounce skirt on the bottom. I did get it in an extra small. I don't know if that was a mistake or not, so we'll see if I can fit my body into this dress or not and how it looks on me. Again, Amazon, 40-something dollars, and I don't even know the name brand, but I'll give you the link in case you're interested. Now, the funny thing is, I saw Angela Masson try on this, I think, exact same dress. It certainly looked the style. Apparently, this is a Tucker Nuck dupe. I'm not very familiar with that website, but a lot of people talk about it. I mean, the material on this is nice, being 100% cotton, but it will definitely wrinkle. But we will see. I'll try it on. I'll see how the fit is, and I'll make a decision then. Okay, the last thing that I had to try, because they were on sale and somebody influenced me, are the Levi's wedgie jeans. I got these in a size 26, 28, and you know, I don't know if these are gonna fit me. These look to me a little small. 28 is full length on me. I was hoping for crop. I did purposely get a darker wash. I will try them on, see how they look, but again, these are Amazon and not exactly what I was looking for. I was looking for more of a dark wash crop. I didn't realize the length with the full 28. I thought they were cropped as well. But I will try them on, and if I really love them, I might keep them because I think they were under 40 bucks with the Amazon Prime days. All right, give me a minute and I'll try these pieces on. All right, first up is the Nick and Zoe sweater, and obviously you can see my bra, but it's not too bad considering it is a black bra I'm wearing. Again, this is super thin, and I'm sorry, it's just not worth the price on this. I mean, I don't love it enough. I feel it's like already kind of stretched out here. The material is just, I can't even explain how paper thin this is. So this is going back. And again, I got this at Nordstrom. It was part of the anniversary sale, and the sale ended and it still, I guess, was returned. And I think it was like $69 and some change going back. Not worth it. The Levi's jeans. So my normal size in a regular pair of jeans that has stretch is a 25, and I sized up on these in a 26, and I have to say they're a little bit snug. There is a button fly here, just so you know. They are dark wash with minimal whiskering on them. They're a nice clean jean. However, I have a lot of this style already. I do have several pairs of straight leg, including a pair of Mother in this. I thought they was going to be a little bit more relaxed and a little bit more of a crop. And they're pretty much a full-length jean on me. So these are going back. It's another $40 I don't need to spend, and I'll return them to Whole Foods tonight. All right, give me a minute and we'll see if that dress works out for me. Okay, the dress. It's not bad, but I don't think it's something I need to add to my closet. This was like in the $40 range, again from Amazon, again 100% cotton, so it's a decent material, but it's not a soft cotton. I will say it is kind of a stiffer kind of cotton, and even though it's a cotton, I still think I'd be pretty warm in the sun with this. It has long sleeves, which I actually don't mind because I have a sun allergy. I rolled them up. You know, even though I have a sun allergy, I don't mind long sleeves. In this material and for the use that I wanted for this dress, I think I would mind it. I want something that's more of like a paper. Here I am going the opposite of how I wanted the sweater. I want this to be thin because I want this to be a breezy throw-on summer dress. So again, I am wearing a black bra, so yes, you can see my bra through this. I wouldn't wear black. I would wear nude with this, but I'm too lazy to change to a new bra. It has the buttons here in front. I would probably button in one more button because it's a little risque being that low. Now I'll step back, and this is where, again, it's my hips. I think it fits around my hips. There's plenty of movement here. It's not catching at all. It does have pockets, which I know a lot of you like. And I have to say, as far as dresses go with pockets being at the hips, these don't add too much bulk. But I have larger hips to begin with, and this style generally does not look good on me. Now here comes the back part. So now I'm thinking it might be too tight because when I look at the back. So again, there's plenty of movement and material here, but when I let it go, it almost looks like it goes bloop right over my butt, like as if it's pulling or something. There's something about this dress that I just do not love, and for that, even if it's only 40 bucks, if I don't love it, I can save money by returning it. And that is it. This is all I have to share with you today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't subscribed already, what's holding you back? Click that notification bell, give me a thumbs up, and until next time.